Com'è? È buono? Hai visto? This is forever, just like you are. Welcome to the Pasta Queen kitchen with Pasta Bro! Today we are creating the Pasta Queen marinara sauce inspired by a recent video I've been seeing going viral from the great TV show The Bear. So I actually found out that this recipe, the one that Mikey leaves to Carmi, is actually based off of a little bit of a mixture of a couple of great different techniques. One is a northern technique, it uses butter, and another one is a more southern technique. In the spirit of peace, today we are combining the best of two worlds, the north and the south. When in Italy you say, Mamma fammi la pasta al sugo.
Che è la pasta al sugo?
Oh, Mamma make me pasta with sauce. It's implied. You don't even have to state tomato in that word. Sauce is tomato. And that's it. Right, Daniele?
Yeah.
Yes. Ingredients. I am creating a basil, garlic and chili pepper olive oil. I would like 5 garlic cloves. Then we're gonna add chili pepper flakes. We're gonna add fresh basil leaves and a lot of extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna toss it all in and let it spin to get a beautiful, nice olive oil sauce that can be used for anything. Peppy, I wanna let you smell the garlic and tell you if you like it or not. Can you smell it? You like it, right? That's my girl! Guys, even when you have friends, you heat up some bread, freshly baked bread, you put this in a little bowl at the center of the dinner table, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, a little bit of this, and you dip your bread, your hot bread in it. È la morte sua. Translate! Today we're using Pinuccia. She is a great multitasker. Just like my aunt Pina, which is where I got the inspiration to create the chef pan and to have it in my collection, because she's an amazing doer of everything. She can make the most amazing soups, sauces, is good for simmering stews, making risottos, browning vegetables. She can do it all. It's 4 quarts capacity. It's nice and deep, so it's perfect for slow cooking. It's copper and stainless steel. And you can see the crown with the pasta on top. This is a cast bronze silver plated handle. Absolutely gorgeous. What I love about this is that it also has an extra handle here at the bottom. One at the top is very easy to handle. They're nice and heavy, they are copper, but with this extra handle, it makes it all the better. So we're going to use 4 tablespoons roughly of unsalted butter. We're putting it straight in the pan. We let it go a little bit until it melts. We're putting 2 halves of onion inside the butter, and we are letting it simmer, we're letting it infuse, we are giving it love. I'm putting my chili pepper, basil, garlic infusion with extra virgin olive oil in. And I'm doing abundant.
It smells amazing.
Just like you are. We're using canned Italian San Marzano tomatoes from the motherland. We add the tomatoes. Right now what you're doing is you're adding a pinch of salt to this amazing beauty, and we're letting it simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. You see now, all we're doing is just gently, as they're getting softer and they're simmering, you're gently pushing on them with a lot of love and care until they kind of break down, because they can't sustain the heat and the passion with which you're handling them. This is a sauce that needs to be evaporated. What you want left is something dense, not watery, not too sticky. And we're gonna get an American to taste it. It's got the onions. Do you like it?
I do. I think it's the butter.
Pasta water is boiling, we salt it abundantly. It needs to be salted like a seasoned soup. And then you toss the spaghetti. These beautiful onions did their job. Now it's time to extract them. We're going to elevate this recipe to the max. So spaghetti are halfway there. They're about 3 to 4 minutes away from fully al dente. We stick them in this amazing sauce. Add a little bit more pasta water as needed because you're cooking in stages. And then you let it do its thing, you see? Okay, now we add fresh basil and let it fall exactly how it wants to go. It's not over until the Parmigiano falls in. There's never a pasta al sugo without the last final cry. And it's the Parmigiano falling in like it wants to go. Look at that. It's the best. You grab some of your special infusion and you pour it in just like this. That fresh garlic, the fresh basil, extra virgin olive oil has been marinating. And now you put it in with the chili flakes. It is come. It is the time for the brother test, the test of all times. This is the union of the North and the South, creating one united, amazing Italy. Yeah, mangia questa cosa, va.
Va.
Com'è? È buono? Hai visto che buono che è? It's so good, guys. Now, we took the recipe from the Bear Show. I wanted to create the perfect combination of flavors, and I wanted to do it how I would do it, how my nonna would do it, how my great-grandma would do it, and we combined two techniques, the north and the south of Italy. We combined them, and now it's time to realize that we're meant to be together. Don't forget to subscribe. Press the notification button so that you know instantly the moment any recipe comes out. Remember, stay gorgeous. You are amazing, and so are we. Dai de tacco, dai de punta, quanto è buona la sogra assunta, dai de sega, dai de che... No.
Sono io. Sono io, scelta. Aldo. No, sembra un altro, vabbè.
No, huge.
Controversy.
No, it's not a control, it's an opposition.